A no signal or blank screen on your BMW's iDrive system indicates a loss of video output from the head unit. Let's explore the initial steps to diagnose and fix this issue. First, you'll see the blank screen problem. This is what users typically encounter when the video output fails. Step 1. Perform a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears temporary software glitches that might cause the blank screen. Step 2. Check all cable connections, especially the LVDS cable that connects the head unit to the screen. Loose connections are a common cause of this issue. Step 3. For newer models from 2021 onward, use the BMW Connected app to check for over-the-air software updates. These updates often address bugs causing the no signal issue. If these initial steps don't resolve the issue, the problem might stem from HDMI or USB port issues or a faulty amplifier, which requires further investigation. When basic troubleshooting fails, more in-depth diagnostics are needed. Start by using an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes. Connect an OBD2 scanner to read diagnostic trouble codes. Look for codes like U0126, which indicates lost communication between modules. Inspect the fuse box to ensure all fuses are intact. Check for blown fuses, which can appear melted or damaged. Verify that all ground wires are securely connected and free from corrosion to ensure proper electrical grounding. In older models before 2020, overheating capacitors in the head unit are a common cause. If capacitors are bulging, the head unit may need replacement. Note that attempting DIY fixes could void your vehicle's warranty. Instead, consider professional service or contact BMW's roadside assistance. For specific cases like the 2022 BMW X3 recall for capacitor issues, ensure your vehicle has received the necessary repairs.